Hey everybody, what's going on? It's your boy Castro. You're probably wondering what I'm doing sitting in the backseat of a car. Well, it turns out it's my son's Acura Integra. And we decided to, do few things to it. Like take out the back seats, make it a little bit lighter. Like I said in my first video, this is a project car. So yeah, we're finally gonna get started. I mean, damn, it took this long. Might as well do something. Unfortunately, we live in the East Coast, so winter's coming. Not going to be able to do much, but we'll see what we can do. So, let me show you from what I learned in the YouTube videos on how to take out back seats on an Integra. Keep watching. Not really sure where to set up this camera, but I'm going to try to find a spot for you. Hey, I'm not sure if you can see me real good, but I'm trying over here. So in the YouTube videos, they told me there's 2 clamps on each side of the seat. What you gotta do is pull them out, pull this up. There's a 10mm bolt that needs to get unscrewed. Let's see if I'm successful. So yeah, there you have it, folks. This is the other view from behind the driver's seat. So yeah, it's gone. Took a few minutes longer than what I expected, but the back seats are out of the Integra. Yes, sir. Lola. Hey, Lola. Hey. Hey. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Everybody want to see you. You shy? Huh? Everybody want to see you. Oh, you a good girl, huh? Yeah, Lola. Good girl.